in our lifetime on this planet.
Take me
What together we can
away
do,
from home.
north and south, east and west.
Show me all the places I've never known.
No corners of the earth.
Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters, holding you still. We are the gallows up on the hill. Answer the question. Is God on your side? We'll be together. We're the rebel tide. We are the monster. There's no place to hide. We're under your bed. We hide in the dark. We are the monster. An army of one. We are the monster. A hole in the sun.
Is this campsite we're on? I'll put it out on the map right now. The showers are nice and warm. They're rather dated, guys, so don't expect first class here. They're probably the
They're a bit shabby.
they're probably the worst we've seen for a long time, actually, aren't they?
A very wet floor throughout, and I've got no lights, so I just had to take a torch in with me.
There you go. I did have power on my side. I say the showers are nice and warm, but don't expect 5-star here. But hey, got electricity, the lights are on, everything's charged. We've had a nice warm shower, hot showers. That's the only reason why we use them.
To the beginning, we are the end. Hold on to nothing. There's nothing we'll last. As you fall in love, we make you fall deep.
Apologise for the wind, guys, if it's windy, if the wind's coming out on the video. Guys, Norway was absolutely stunning, but Scotland is on your doorstep, so there's no excuse. Get in your camper van, fill up with diesel, and come take a look at this place. It's rugged, it's spectacular, and it's angry. And bloody cold at the minute, to be fair. But just take a look at that.
Sorry.
And take a look at that. So I think this walks around 4.5–5 miles in total, and shouldn't take us too long, other than stopping every 5 minutes to take a picture, because you can't help it, because the scenery is that stunning. The Quiraing, meaning round fold, is an ancient landslip in the northeast region of the Isle of Skye. At the highest point, it stands some 543 metres above sea level.
It is estimated that the walk in its entirety takes 3 to 4 hours. This place is a photographer's dream, with vistas east of the Atlantic Ocean and views south to the majestic rocky outcrops. No matter the weather, it's nearly impossible not to capture a great image.
Best views are all within a moderately paced hour's walk, and it's relatively easy underfoot.
It's a bit steep. The path does become more challenging the further along you travel, with small amount of scrambling involved.
But don't let this put you off.
We saw people of all ages and all abilities taking part.
The Isle of Skye. It's like a mini New Zealand. So did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did. It was lovely. Really, really beautiful. And a little bit hard work.
Wasn't too bad though.
No.
But if you get here first thing in the morning, guys, you'll get all the sun over the side of the Quiraing. I call it a Quiraing, I don't know what it's called.
I think it's a Quiraing.
Yeah, Quiraing.
Quiraing.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's beautiful.
And this is the side to come to, so it's as you come out of the car park, the footpath is down there on the right, and then that'll give you that view. There you go. So should we go back and get something to eat?
Yeah, there's a hot dog stand at the bottom.
Done. What a lovely walk. Oh. Build up our appetite. Ready for some carbs, I think. I think we deserve it. What an absolutely gorgeous place Skye is. I think I said earlier, it's probably our version of New Zealand. Hi Lindsay, or Linz. We're lucky enough to have a couple of people watch us from New Zealand. Hi there, New Zealand. I hope you're well when you're getting out and about, the same as us. And if not, if you fancy a trip to the UK, Skye is a place to come on the west coast of Scotland.
I've not got the smallest legs in the world. Some of these are hard to climb up.
No, I'll vouch for that. Claire has got long legs. Mine aren't too short either. Puts
My
me
poor
just over
mother
six,
would have to rock climb up
6
some of
foot.
this.
Yep. Get my 6 foot lanky body and 16 stone up a hill.
What's the hard part? The 6 foot lanky body or the 16 stone?
16 stone's easy because it's solid. It's like just all muscle. Is she pulling faces?
No.
Was she pulling faces, folks? We made it back just in time. It's now raining out there. And the other part of the walk comes back over the top of the cliff edge there. So I think what we're going to do now is just finish our brews. Claire's just bought us a lovely hot dog, hamburger.
I've just seen my hair. You need to warn me before you...
No, mine's just as bad. And I think we're going to head off for the Isle of Skye now. What's the time? It's 2:15, so we should make a good way in an hour, 2 hours before it gets dark, and we're going to head toward Applecross. Well, good morning, guys. I'd like to say that I had a nice night's sleep. I didn't have a great night's sleep. I've had 12 hours sleep. Although we've got a few issues with the van, which meant that one, we had no heating, which was a little bit disappointing.
And it was a bit cold.
It was freezing. That temperature did an half drop. So that's why we're in our onesies, in our big fleece.
With our duvet.
With our duvet.
And our sheepskin over the top.
Sheepskin.
It was chilly.
But it worked.
It did.
We're still alive.
Yeah, we didn't get hypothermia.
Yeah, we're near Applecross. We'll decide in a little while whether we go over the top or whether we carry on pushing up north. Toothpaste. So that's where we stayed last night. it really chilled down in the end last night, and we have a few teething problems with the van again. Obviously, because it's winter, we're not picking up the solar as much as we would like, so we've not got enough energy to keep the lights going all night and the diesel heater and such. So I'm going to have another look into that when I get back, make sure that, to be fair, I don't think we've got the best batteries. I know we didn't get the best batteries because they're the cheapest ones that I could get at the time, so I'm going to upgrade the batteries. I might get a couple of lithium ion batteries, make the investment. But it was absolutely stunning again. I had a real good night's sleep. But yeah, we'll go down to Applecross, do a bit of photography down the bottom there, and then who knows, head off somewhere else. We've still got a few days left before the inevitable drive back home. But again, it's been an absolute amazing adventure. We love it.